Alright, so we're going to continue down our list of divisions. We're going to look at number 58. See a pattern in how I'm choosing these. I'm just going down the midsection here of this section on divisions. So 49 minus y squared divided by y squared minus 25. Well, this rational expression is divided by 7 plus y over 2y plus 10. Alright, so I'm going to do some rearranging here. I'm going to explain the rearranging I'm going to do. So first thing, I'm going to turn this into a multiplication. And while I do it, remember addition, a plus b is equal to b plus a. So I'm going to rewrite this so that my y's are first. And I'm going to do a similar thing here once I get the result of, once I pull apart the factors. So I'm looking for the word factors. It's there. So I'll start with 49 minus y squared over y squared minus 25 times, I'm going to flip this, so 2y plus 10 over y plus 7. Alright, so I have this in forms of a multiplication. I'm now going to factor everything. So what I want to do here is I want to pull a negative out. So I pull a negative out front. That gives me y squared minus 49. But I've added a negative sign up front. If you don't see that, give yourself a minute and look at b minus a. Reverse distribute out a negative 1. And that should give you an a minus b. This is important. It lets us write things in the order we're used to seeing. But notice the negative sign that we pick up here. And 2y plus 10 over y plus 7. I have to play with the pen settings of this. I have to press really hard right now. It's making these really, really squiggly. Alright, so we're going to factor everything. So the minus stays up front. This is a difference of squares. Y plus 7, y minus 7. A difference of squares down below. Y plus 5, y minus 5. I can pull a 2 out of here. Y plus 5. And I can't do anything with the y plus 7. Well, now I have to look at my restrictions. So I have a y plus 5, a y plus 7, and a y minus 5. So y can't be plus or minus 5. So I list the y plus 5, the y minus 5, and the y plus 7. Nor can it be negative 7. Going quick with the restrictions. The restrictions are a variable and a constant. You should be comfortable working with equations this way. Now, yes, not equal. We treat the same as an equation. We'll see more and more why we can do that with these symbols, equal or not equal, greater than or less than, because they're asking for a truth. We don't care what the truth is quite yet, but we're stating this as if it's true. We'll play with this more. Now I have everything lined up. I'll look for my 1s. So there's a pair that makes a 1. And there's a pair that makes a 1. So they're going to go away in my new expression form. And so I am left with, still have my negative sign. Y minus 7 upstairs. Let's put this up here a bit. And y minus 5 downstairs. Now it's up to me if I redistribute that negative back through. I actually like writing those negatives outside of the fraction. As we'll see, we get a negative, especially when we do imaginary numbers. We can take negatives and put them into the bottom or the top. And we'll see more and more why. So I like them kind of hanging out front. But that's valid. Distributing the negative through here is valid. These all say the same thing. The quantity that this represents in the end comes out to being the same. Variable to constants, just a good way of getting used to comparing things.